Hey guys, want the best streaming experience on HDO Box? Let me show you the best settings to set up right now. So first of all, open HDO Box app. Launch the HDO Box app on your device from the home screen. Tap on the menu icon in the top corner and select settings. Under video option, set the streaming quality to 1080p or 4K for the best picture quality. Go to subtitle settings and turn on subtitles, then choose your preferred language. Adjust the subtitle size to medium or large so they are easy to read on screen. Go to player settings and select the best media player installed on your device for simultaneous playback. Turn on the autoplay option so the next episode starts automatically without any interruption. Go to storage settings and tap clear cache to keep the app running fast and smooth. If content is restricted in your region, enable a VPN before streaming for unrestricted access. Go to language settings and set your preferred audio and subtitle language as default. Once everything is configured, go back and make sure all your settings are saved properly. Thank you for watching.